Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this issue. An error has occurred on your PS4 console. While trying to restore your licenses on your PS4 console, you might be getting this error NP-34958-9. This error code, right, actually it is new to me, but a lot of people are getting this error nowadays because when the people are trying to restore the licenses, they are getting this error. I went through some online solution. I just found something, so I applied it and it was working fine. Even right, one of my video which is unlocking the games in PS4 by restoring the licenses, people are getting the same error and they are commenting it. So for them I'm going to make that video. Cool. Now I'm going to fix that. So if you're getting this error, right, just give OK. So even though, right, if I'm getting the error, I'm getting the activation. So I'm not sure how it is happened, but I tried one method. I'm going to show that we need to change some DNS. So it was working fine. So go to settings. So under network. So whether you might be connected through wire or wireless, I mean, you might be connected through Wi-Fi or LAN. So here what we need to do is we need to have the set of internet connections. So here you can choose use Wi-Fi or you can use a LAN cable. So I'm going to choose use Wi-Fi. Here I need to tap custom. Here you need to select this network. Mine is Wiki 5G. So I'm going to choose that. IP address setting should be automatic. So I'm going to choose automatic. DHCP hostname should be do not specify. You need to select do not specify, give next, and the DNS settings now. So you need to select this manual because we are going to update some primary DNS and secondary DNS. So here on this primary DNS, right, I'm going to give 1.1.141, okay, R2, and the secondary DNS should be the last numeric will be 1, and this one, right, should be 1001, okay. Press R2 and give next. MTU settings can be automatic. Proxy server should be do not use. Now I'm going to test the internet connections. So it should be I'm getting the proper download speed and upload speed. Successful. Yes, everything works fine. Looks good. So going back, can restart your PS4. So I'm going to restart. Power options, restart. So it's restarted. I'm going to log in. Now I'm going to verify on settings, account management. So here I need to activate as your primary PS4. Super cool. I told you, right? So even though if I'm getting the error, right, automatically it is getting activated. Just restart your PS4 console and try. The error is just temporary. It's going away. So now I'm going to deactivate for tutorial purpose. So I'm going to say yes. I'm getting error, right? So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to change the DNS server again. I'm going to put the previous settings, go network, and here set up internet connections, use Wi-Fi, and here I need to choose custom and select your network, and here automatic and do not specify. DNS settings should be automatic this time because it will set 000, it will be removing. So here, right, MTU settings automatic and proxy server do not use. Yes, everything is good. Test internet connections. Looks good. Going back. Again, going back. I'm going to verify account management. Activate as your primary PS4. See, deactivate. Even though I was getting the error, it was working fine. So I'm going to press this activate. It's activated. See, the error is gone. Just put the DNS numbers what I have used, okay. Just try in this way. So already it is activated. So activate is enabled. The PS4 is activated as your primary PS4. If you want to deactivate, again you can deactivate it. Super cool. It's deactivated. It's working fine. So you can just easily fix that. Once deactivated, automatically it will be logged out. Again, we need to re-log in. Okay, and now I'm going to activate it again. Settings, account management, activate as your primary PS4. Yes, so I'm going to choose activate. It's activated. So simple. So just play with this DNS settings. Okay. 1 or 0. Okay, fine. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put comments and feedback in video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.